everybody, welcome back. So today we are making a Whisper Swiss roll cake, and this is actually really cool because it is decorated within the cake batter, so we're not actually using any buttercream or any frosting or anything like that. It might look like slightly complicated, but don't worry, it's actually super easy, and it's a perfect option for people who don't necessarily want buttercream or you want to kind of tone down on like all the sugar, but you're still looking for a dessert. So let's get started and I will show you how to make it. So for the batter that we're going to use for the pattern portion of the cake, what you're going to need is some flour, some confectioner's sugar, unsalted butter, egg whites, vanilla extract, and some yellow, black, orange, blue, and purple food coloring. For the batter for the actual cake, you're going to need some unsalted butter, some eggs with the yolks and whites separated, some sugar, flour, salt, vanilla extract, and purple food coloring. For the filling, you're going to need some cream cheese, some butter, some melted white chocolate, confectioner's sugar, whipping cream, vanilla extract, and some fresh blueberries. So first we're going to actually make the pattern of the cake, so we're kind of working backwards, but it's so cool once it's all done. You want to beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add the sugar and beat until combined. Then add the egg whites and vanilla extract and beat until combined. Add the flour on low speed. Divide the batter into 6 bowls and dye it yellow, black, orange, blue, and purple, leaving the remaining bowl white. Place the batter into piping bags or Ziploc bags if you don't have piping bags, fitted with small round piping tips. Place an image of Whisper and the text on a Swiss roll pan and place a sheet of parchment paper on top. Make sure the image is a mirrored image of what you'd like because it's actually going to be flipped once the cake is baked. Then pipe the colored batter onto the parchment paper, filling in the entire template. Then draw fun patterns onto the remaining space. Transfer the pan to the freezer and freeze for 30 minutes. So to make the cake batter, you want to beat 6 egg whites and salt with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Add half the sugar and beat until stiff, glossy peaks are formed. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks and remaining sugar with an electric mixer until pale and doubled in volume. Gradually add the vanilla extract and butter and mix until well combined. Add the flour to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the egg whites. Then dye the batter purple and gently fold to combine. Pour the batter into the Swiss roll cake pan on top of the pattern. Gently smooth the surface and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden. Dust a large sheet of wax paper with confectioner's sugar. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, invert it onto the wax paper. Peel off the top layer of parchment paper, place another layer of wax paper on top, then invert again so that the pattern side is facing down. Remove the wax paper and starting at one long end, gently roll the cake up, then wrap it in a kitchen towel and cool completely. To make the filling, beat the cream cheese and butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the confectioner's sugar and cream and beat until well combined. Then add the white chocolate and vanilla extract and mix well. Then fold the blueberries into the mixture. To assemble, gently unroll the cake and peel off the wax paper. Spread the filling onto the surface and roll the cake back up again. Wrap the cake in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 4 hours or up to overnight. Then just slice up the cake and you are done! So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any requests for other future videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to see some more Best Fiends videos, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel, which is this YouTube channel. If you'd like to see some more cooking recipes, head on over to youtube.com/pinkobunny, which is my YouTube channel, and I have a ton of other recipes there waiting for you. And last but not least, I'm sure that you guys saw these little goodies in the background of the videos. If you would like some for yourself, check the description box because we'll have a link there for you to pick some up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we will see you guys next time. Bye!